Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, these days, most commonly, IELTS speaking test is conducted online. They call it remote IELTS speaking test, where there is a big screen, examiner is there, they give you headphones and you sit and you have your exam. And in future, even they are going to conduct IELTS speaking tests online. British Council has started this. Now they offer both remote speaking and physical speaking with physical examiner. I'm making this video to give you the practice. All you need is pen and paper so that you could jot down the ideas for speaking part 2. Try to sit in a room all alone so that you don't feel any hesitation, and use headphones. Okay, just make some environment around you, and this video is going to be very helpful. You are going to practice IELTS speaking with you. Let's make a start with your IELTS speaking test. Okay, I'm your examiner, and in the end you need to give me your feedback, and you need to tell me the way you felt about it. Okay, so let's make a start. What's your name, please? All right, that's a beautiful name. So let's start the test. Did you have a favorite book when you were a child? How much reading do you do for your work or studies now? What kinds of books do you read for pleasure? Do you prefer to read a newspaper or a magazine online, or to buy a copy of it? Why don't children like to read books these days? Would you like to write a book in the future? Alright, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. In this part, I'm going to give you a topic, and I will give you 1 minute to read the topic, and you can jot down some notes as well. And after 1 minute, you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. The topic is, describe a big city you would like to visit in the future. Your time starts now. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. All right, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. What are the most interesting things to do while visiting cities on holidays? Why can it be expensive to visit cities on holidays? Do you think it is better to visit cities alone or in a group with friends? Why have cities increased in size in recent years? What are the challenges created by ever growing cities? What are the challenges created by ever growing cities? In what ways do you think cities of the future will be different to cities today? That's all, guys. Thank you so very much. Okay, how was my acting, huh? Please comment this video and share your feedback with me. I want to know if you like this video so that I could make more videos like this for you, right? It's really good that without going to any coaching centers, you can practice your speaking with me. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online and in campus, online all over the world, and in campus in Lahore. And we offer IELTS test booking service. We offer PTE classes as well. So if you are interested in any of these, and we conduct IELTS webinar 1 week before IELTS exam. So if you are interested, you can contact us for that. Thank you so much. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck with your IELTS preparation. Take care. Cheers.